Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. The task at the core of this scenario is to automate the process of scraping data from the web on a daily basis, saving it as a CSV file, creating charts from that data and converting them into a PDF, and finally, sending that PDF to an email recipient. It's a classic automation problem that many folks encounter in the tech world. Now let's talk about the solution to this problem. The easiest and cheapest way to achieve this automation is by utilizing the AWS SDK for Python. With this SDK, you can interact with various AWS services programmatically. The high-level steps involve saving the generated PDF and CSV files in an S3 bucket using the Python S3 SDK, presigning the PDF for user access, retrieving the presigned URL, and finally, using AWS SES to send an email with the presigned URL. If you're new to using the Python SDK, you can refer to the code examples available in the AWS code library. In summary, automating the process of web data scraping, chart creation, PDF generation, and email delivery can be efficiently achieved using the AWS SDK for Python. By following the steps outlined earlier, you can set up a robust infrastructure to handle this task seamlessly. And there you have it. Now you're all set to tackle this automation challenge like a pro. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any automation jokes you might have. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.